Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain you third lesson, production and employment. This is the third lesson from 10th class. First topic is sectors of economy. So there are three sectors in the economy. So agriculture sector, industrial sector and the service sector. Agriculture sector is also known as primary sector. Industrial sector is also known as secondary sector. Service sector is also known as tertiary sector. So primary, secondary and tertiary, these are the technical terms. So now we have know about the agriculture sector. What is an agriculture sector? So agriculture and allied activities come under the agriculture sector. Agriculture and allied activities come under the agriculture sector. So agriculture and allied activities such as mining, forestry and fishing come under the agriculture sector. So mining means iron ore, coal, manganese, bauxite, like that. Mining activities are come under the agriculture sector. Thus those activities also come under the agriculture sector. And fish products, fishing activities, fish products also come under the agriculture sector. And the forest products, honey and wood, those forest products also come under the agriculture sector. Within the agriculture sector, cultivation or agriculture is the major part. So remaining the mining, forestry and fishing come under the agriculture sector. So in the agriculture sector, the nature play a dominant role for production. Okay, in the agriculture sector, the nature play the dominant role for the production process. Okay, for example, the cultivation, agriculture depended on sunshine, rains and water, sunshine, water and soil. So like that, the fishing also depended on the quantity of water. Next, minings, we have found different minings on the earth. So these are activities. The nature is the prominent and dominated the production process in agriculture. Now we are coming to the second one, that is the secondary sector, also industrial sector. So manufacturing processes and other industries such as large industries and small industries come under the industrial sector or secondary sector. Okay, industrial sector is also we have known as the secondary sector. The manufacturing processes such as large industries and small industries come under the industrial sector. Those activities where the production where the goods are produced by the people using tools and machines. So how the production was doing in the industrial sector, how the production was done in industrial sector. So those activities where the production process the goods were produced, where the goods were produced by the people using tools and machines is known as the industrial sector. For example, iron and steel industries, cement industries, the chemical industries, pharma industry, fertilizers industries, automobile industries and also small scale industries, all are come under the industrial sector. Now we are discussing about the service sector. Service sector is also known as tertiary sector. So those activities those activities where don't produce goods directly by the people. So those activities where don't produce goods directly by the people, but provide the special services for required people, but provide the special services for the required people. For example, teachers, doctors, lawyers, and courier boy. These all activities are come under the service sector. Okay, but service sector again we have divided into three parts. The first one is community, social, and personal services. Service sector again we have divided into three parts: community, social, and personal services, such as public administration. Public administration means IAS, IPS, MRO, RDO. These all category come under the this part. So next, public administration jobs and defense means army. The three armies, army. Next, defense come under the this category. Okay, the service sector we have divided into three. One is the community, personal services, community, social, and personal services. So the public administration, defense, and health, education, media means print media and electronic media. Print media means newspapers, magazines. Electronic media means TV, news channel, also come under this category. Education sector, education activities means schools, colleges, other institutions also come under this category. Next, health, hospitals come under the community, social, and personal services. And libraries, archives, and veterinary department, veterinary doctors, veterinary department also come under the community, social, and personal services. So next, second one is the finance and real estate and insurance. The finance, insurance, and real estate is the second category within the service sector. So the finance activities such as banks, government banks, and non-governmental banks, corporations means financial corporations, and money lenders and real estate. The post offices are come under this sectors means finance. Second category is the finance. Second category is the finance, insurance, and real estate. So real estate business and brokers, these all are come under the second category. Third category, traders, trade, the wholesale trade and retail trade, and hotels, all hotel services, and transport means railways and airways, roadways. These all are come under the third category. And also hotels. Next, telecommunication services. Telecommunication services like internet, computer, so cell phone. These all are come under the third category. So like that, service sector we have again divided into three categories. The first one is community, social, and personal services. Second one is the finance and insurance, and real estate. Third category is the trade, hotels, and transport, telecommunication. So now we are going to the another another topic, that is classify different occupations under the three sectors. Classify different occupations. There are many occupations are there in the society. People are doing different activities. So people are doing different activities. So uh, by these activities, by the these economic activities was classified actually. What is an economy? What is an economy? What is an economy means the people are doing different activities, earn for their livelihood. So these economic activities we have divided into three categories. We have divided into three categories. Those only: the agriculture sector, second one is industrial sector, third one is service sector. So the classify the list of different occupations come under the agriculture sector, industrial sector and service sector. So what are the different occupations? We have know that tailors, the basket weavers, like flower cultivators, gardeners, priests such as potters, beekeeper, astronauts, and the call center employee, teachers, doctor, courier boy. So these all are activities are come under the which. So here in our textbook there is the given. So once I want to tell you once. See, so this is tailor come under the service sector. Tailor come under the service sector. So tailor is doing domestic services. He is giving domestic services. Tailor is giving domestic service. Next, basket weaver. He is making the things. Okay, basket weaver. He is producing goods. This is come under the cottage industry. So this is come under the industrial sector. Basket weavers come under the industrial sector. Next, flower cultivation. This is the come under the agriculture sector. Flower cultivators. Next, milk vendor. He is giving services. So this is service sector. Milk vendor come under the service sector. Next, fisherman come under the fishing come under the primary sector. So this is the come under the agriculture sector. Okay, fishing. Next, courier services come under the service sector. Courier services come under the service sector. Priests come under the service sector. They are giving services. That's why priests are come under the service sector. Next, workers in the matchbox industries. This is the small scale industry. So this is come under the industrial sector. Workers in match factory. Next, money lenders are come under the service sector. Next, garden means this is come under the agriculture sector. Potter also come under the primary sector or agriculture sector. Next, call center employees come under the service sector. Astronauts come under the service sector. Beekeeper also come under the agriculture sector. Okay, beekeeper means they are related to forest. So that is come under the agriculture sector. So next we are going to the another the point, that is the percentage of workers employed in three sectors. What is the percentage? What is the percentage of workers employed in different sectors? So employment is different from one year to another year. They are changing. The employment is changing from one sector to another sector. In olden days, most of the people were dependent on agriculture. Then after they are shifted to some of the agriculture workers shifted to industrial works. Some of the people were shifted to service sector. So like that, the industry, the sectors were the work employment was shifted from one sector to another sector. So now today we are observing how the employment was shifted from one sector to another. What are the changes we have found? in between the agriculture sector and industrial sector. Okay, this is the topic about the employment. Okay, so what is the percentage of workers employed in three sectors? What is the percentage of workers employed in three sectors? See, the percentage of workers. What is the percentage of workers employed in three sectors? So here data is available in 1972 and 73. 1972 and 73. Agriculture employment is 74% in 1972-73. In 1972-73 we are observing means the agriculture employment 74%. So when after 37 years, 1972-73, after 37 years we were observed means in 2009 and 10 the agriculture sector was declined. Come down into 53%. So it means how much percentage was declined? 21%. Okay, 21% declined. Agriculture sector was declined. So industrial sector 1972-73 there is a 11% is there, that employment was increased into 22%. Next, service sector employment is there in 1972-73, 15%. The workers employed in 2009 and 10, 25%. So the workers employed in 1972 and 73, that is 73%, that is declined into 53%. The industrial sectors workers employed in 11%, that is increased into 22%. The workers employed in service sector in 15% in 1972-73, that is increased into 25% in 2009 and 10. So what are the changes that observed from this table? What are the changes we have observed from this table? Means agriculture sector workers employment was declined 21%. So agriculture sector employment was declined 21% from 74% to 53%. So industrial sector workers employment was increased. 11% to 22%. Service sector employment also increased 15% to 25%. Okay. So but till now the agriculture sector is prominent. So more than 50% of the employment, 50% of the employment coming from under the agriculture. Okay, children. So today I will explain you about GDP, gross domestic product, and also I will explain on the topic how we have to estimate gross domestic product. Okay, how we have to estimate the gross domestic product. Okay, thank you, children. So all of you watch my videos and subscribe my channel and click like button and share it to my videos to your friends. Thank you.